Hey you guys, so today I wanted to show you my room that I redid. So first off, this is the bed. This is my headboard right here that I made, and here's my bed. Got a little plant right here, and then a mirror right here. And then over here I have my vanity desk along in front of my window. And then over here I have my clothes rack with my suitcase and my shoes and my packages on the floor and stuff like that. And yeah, this is just an overview of the room. This is a close-up of the headboard. Like I said, I made this myself and I tufted it myself. If you guys want to know how I did that, just leave a comment below and let me know. I just put two pillows along here to make it look more like a couch and a bed. So like if I just want to come in and chill, I could. Then I just put like a little silky little like throw right here, and the other side is like this little like material, like doggy material on the other side. And like I said, I have my coffee table tray right here, which is really a bed tray, with a glass of wine and my favorite book that I'm reading right now, and a wine glass. Over here is my little plant that I pulled out the closet today. At first my dresser was right here, but I took my dresser out because it was just taking up too much space, and I just love the plant right here because greenery is just so important. Right here we have this full-length mirror, more than full length, that I got right here propped up in the corner, which I think is so convenient. Over here, like I said, I have my vanity right here, and this chair right here I actually got from Home Goods. So I got this chair right here from Home Goods right there, and this is just my little vanity right here along with the window. Just have like my little 2019 book and a few items right there, like I said. And then I got my chair, which is just like a leather tufted like chair I got from Home Goods. Make sure you check out my Home Goods haul that I did. And like I said, these are my curtains that go high. Also, I got the curtains from IKEA. And over here is just a little side mirror that I have. Like I said, right here I have my suitcase right here. And also this is a suitcase cover right here, and I got it from Amazon. So if you guys want the link to that, just let me know. And like I said once before, this is my clothes rack right here. This is just like a little stool. This is actually my old chair for my vanity, but now I'm just using it as a footstool. I just kind of got it to the side right now because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. So yeah, so that's that. And again, here's another overview. And as I said, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you guys like it, and I hope you guys have a good day. And don't forget to stay confident, be bold, and be beautiful. Have a good day.